guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Kimsplacedesigns. If you're new here, hey, hi, hello. Thanks for checking out my video. I hope you enjoyed today's content. With that said, today's content has a unique twist to it. It's something I've never done before. So it's a voiceover to accompany the unboxing of my brand new paper mache painting kit. So please bear with me if my commentary doesn't always match up perfectly with what's on the screen. Okay, let's dive in. The very first thing you're gonna notice upon opening the box is the set of step-by-step instructions. These instructions will be your trusty guide throughout the entire creative journey. Now let's talk about this presentation. It's something I take very seriously, so I wanted each kit to be meticulously wrapped in coordinating tissue paper to give it that extra special touch. I wanted it to be like you receiving a thoughtful gift even before you actually looked inside the box to view the contents. Inside the kit, you're gonna notice that there's an 8-inch paper mache letter or number, depending on which you purchase. You'll get to decide and choose that when you make your purchase. You're also gonna find a pack of embellishments or die cut images that match the theme that you chose. In this case, we opted to use the Peppa Pig, which is one of our best sellers. Next, you're gonna find your painting tools. You're gonna receive a set of sponge brushes, paint containers in the colors that coordinate with your theme, a paint palette, and some adhesive dots that are gonna help you secure your images and or your embellishments to the canvas when it dries. This is a surprise. Next, you're gonna notice that there's a smock. Some might call it an apron. I call it a smock, and it's used to just keep paint off of your clothing or your child's clothing. Now here's the surprise. I added a little coloring kit that has a set of crayons and some coloring pages. It's gonna keep your little one entertained in between paint drying. And last but not least, I'm a mom too, so I thought it all through. As a bonus, I added a mesh sheet. This is going to prevent spillage and keep your surface clean while your child is painting. Thank you guys so much for watching my content. If you're interested in purchasing your own kit, you can find the details below in the description box. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. That would mean the world to me. All right, y'all, until the next one. Bye.